Exosomes, the tiny vesicles released by cells, play a pivotal role in cellular communication, and their significance in hair restoration has recently garnered attention. These nano-sized entities contain proteins, lipids, and RNA, acting as powerful mediators of intercellular signaling. Their release from various cells, including stem cells, influences hair follicle behavior, stimulating growth and regeneration. In the hair restoration landscape, exosomes are emerging as a transformative tool. They can promote the proliferation of hair follicle cells, enhance blood flow, and reduce inflammation, creating an optimal environment for hair growth. This regenerative capability stems from the rich cargo inside exosomes, which is known to carry growth factors and cytokines essential for hair restoration. By harnessing these tiny vesicles, scientists are exploring innovative treatments that aim to combat hair thinning and loss. One of the most exciting aspects of exosomal therapy is its minimally invasive nature. When administered via topical application or injection, exosomes can penetrate the scalp and deliver their beneficial components directly to hair follicles. This allows for targeted treatment, reducing the risk of side effects that often accompany more aggressive procedures. Patients seeking hair restoration may find exosome therapy appealing due to its convenience and efficacy. Research is continually uncovering the potential of exosomes in hair care. Recent studies suggest that exosomes derived from mesenchymal stem cells exhibit significant promise in enhancing hair growth in individuals experiencing androgenetic alopecia, a common form of hair loss. These engineered exosomes can potentially reactivate dormant hair follicles, leading to thicker and healthier hair. With ongoing research, a range of exosomal products may soon become available, offering new hope for those struggling with alopecia. Moreover, exosome therapy can be utilized in conjunction with other hair restoration techniques, such as PRP, platelet-rich plasma injections. The synergistic effect of these two therapies may enhance overall results, leading to a more robust and effective treatment plan. As interest in exosome therapy continues to expand, more clinical trials are likely to validate its effectiveness and optimize protocols for various types of hair loss. In conclusion, exosomes herald a new era of possibilities in hair restoration. As science continues to uncover the myriad functions these vesicles perform, individuals battling hair loss may soon benefit from advanced therapies. The integration of exosome technology into hair care protocols signifies a shift towards gentler, yet more effective solutions, aiming to restore not just hair, but confidence. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.